Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small, like a tiny, insignificant speck in a vast cosmic ocean? Well, you're not wrong. But what if I told you that being small is actually the most incredible thing about us? Let's take a mind-bending journey, starting right here on Earth, to find our true address in the universe. We all know our home planet, Earth. It feels huge, right? It takes a whole day to fly from one side to the other. But let's zoom out. Here's our solar system. Earth is the third rock from a pretty average star we call the Sun, next to gas giants like Jupiter, which could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. Our planet suddenly looks like a little blue marble, and our entire solar system, with all its planets, asteroids, and comets, is just one of countless systems in our galaxy. Now, hold on tight, because this is where things get really wild. Let's zoom out even further. That star, our Sun, is just one of an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars in our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Think about that number for a second. There are more stars in the Milky Way than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Our entire solar system is tucked away in a quiet, suburban spiral arm called the Orion Arm, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. To put that in perspective, if the Milky Way were the size of the United States, our entire solar system would be smaller than a quarter. From our little neighborhood, we're circling the galactic center, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A*, at a blistering speed of about 500,000 miles per hour. Even at that insane speed, it still takes us about 230 million years to complete one full orbit. This is what we call a galactic year. The last time Earth was in this same spot, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the planet. So, in galactic years, Earth is only about 20 years old. So what does the Milky Way look like from the outside? We can't actually take a picture of it, because we're inside it. It would be like trying to take a picture of your own house from your living room. But based on what we can observe, we know it's a beautiful barred spiral galaxy. A swirling pinwheel of stars, gas, and dust spanning about 100,000 light-years across. All those stars you see in the night sky. Almost every single one is part of our Milky Way family. That faint, milky band of light you can see on a clear, dark night. That's you, looking into the dense, crowded downtown of our galactic city. But wait, there's more. The Milky Way isn't alone out here. It's part of a group of about 50 galaxies called the Local Group. Our biggest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is actually on a collision course with us. Don't panic though. This cosmic crash won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. When it does, the two galaxies will merge to form a new giant elliptical galaxy, which some astronomers have nicknamed Milky Way. And the Local Group itself, it's just one small cluster in an even bigger structure called the Virgo supercluster, which contains over 100 galactic groups and clusters. And even that supercluster is just a tiny tendril in a colossal cosmic web, known as the Laniakea supercluster, which means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian. Laniakea contains about 100,000 galaxies, all flowing towards a single point called the Great Attractor. So, let's recap our cosmic address. We live on planet Earth, in the solar system, in the Orion Arm of the Milky Way Galaxy, which is part of the Local Group. Within the Virgo supercluster, inside the Laniakea supercluster, feeling small, yet, but here's the amazing part. On this tiny speck of dust, in a forgotten corner of an ordinary galaxy, life emerged, consciousness evolved. And we, the curious inhabitants of this little blue dot, developed the ability to look up at the cosmos and piece together this grand, beautiful story. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're not just looking at distant lights. You're looking at your home, your neighborhood, your city of stars. And in all this mind-boggling vastness, our smallness isn't a weakness. It's what makes our existence so precious and so profoundly special. Thanks for taking this cosmic journey with me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures through space and time. See you in the next one.